chat, c'est parti. Oblivion. Remastered? Todd? Virtuos, yes, c'est eux. Yes, le héros de Gvatch. Écoutez ça, chat, écoutez ça.
You hold our future in your hands. Take with you my blessings and the hope of the Empire.
La date, maintenant.
Find him and close shut the jaws of Oblivion.
Oblivion Remastered. Ok, la date, maintenant. S'il te plaît.
Here we are 20 years later.
Oh, Todd, s'il te plaît, interviens.
When you think about the Elder Scrolls, to us it goes beyond game franchise.
Yeah, it's the DNA of Bethesda Game Studios.
Obviously, we're working on the 6th chapter here, but what's great about the
Elder
Elder
Scrolls
Scrolls is
6.
being able to look back at all of the chapters, Skyrim, Oblivion, Morrowind, Daggerfall, Arena, and each of them try to define role-playing games and open-world games for their generation.
Fans got so connected with the worlds we've made.
Ok, là je peux pas trop mettre pause.
It's really amazing.
Oblivion was a real defining moment in the series.
Mais j'espère qu'ils prennent leur temps pour Elder Scrolls 6. Hein. Parce que leurs dernières sorties font très peur. Hein. Starfield et Fallout 76.
We want people to feel the way they did then, but it's still a game of its time. You want to keep those bones in place. You want some of that old charm.
Coming back to Oblivion now with this
Et
tremendous
vraiment, l'atmosphère de Cyrodiil. Hein. L'atmosphère colorée, le décor ambiant de Cyrodiil. Tu vois cette verdure, cette verdoyance? Ça n'a rien à voir avec Skyrim.
Looking back and seeing everything we've accomplished in the past 20 years and working with these people, like it's really special.
Ouais, clairement, hein,
Yeah,
clairement.
there are still quite a few people that I've worked with for that long, and it sort of gave me the warm fuzzies.
Oh my God, it's been 20 years? I think the thing that gets me the most.
Ça fait
is the
20 ans.
music.
C'est pas
When you hear
19
that
ans.
music at the
Oblivion,
main
c'est
menu,
sorti
there's
quand?
just like- There's this like
Cinéma.
flood of nostalgia.
Oblivion is the beginning of who I am as an individual, as a game developer.
Si, sorti en
All
2006.
starts with it.
I don't even think it took me till release to realize how big this was.
People loved it. Like, they loved it.
Yes. Encore aujourd'hui, hein.
Key moment
Ça fait partie des meilleurs jeux de Bethesda.
and the evolution of how we build these worlds, and having players be able to come back and experience that is really amazing. We had that really special moment of coming out into the world for the first time, what that meant to this game.
Every time we think about Oblivion, it's what if we could give that moment to everybody again?
C'est vrai que je trouve ça dingue qu'il y en a beaucoup aujourd'hui qui n'ont jamais touché à Oblivion.
For 65 years, I've ruled as Tamriel's emperor.
Mais non, faut pas abuser, Deidou.
For all
Faut pas
these
abuser.
years, I've never been the ruler of my own dreams.
Et puis, c'est un remaster de toute façon.
Gates of Oblivion, beyond
Oh,
which no
waouh!
waking eye may see.
La tour d'or blanc. Chat. La capitale de Cyrodiil, Imperial City. Oh là là, je crois que c'est les montagnes de Geralt, ça, si je me trompe pas.
Whether you're reliving these moments or experiencing them for the
Oh,
first
s'il
time,
vous plaît,
the World
sortez-le.
of Oblivion Remastered immediately looks and feels
Attendez,
incredible.
je check sur Steam si jamais on peut le DL
When
maintenant.
we decided to remaster Oblivion,
Ah, pas
we
encore.
were really picky about finding the right partner. From the very beginning of this project, we had one rule. We weren't going to do this if we weren't going to be able to do it right. Our partners at Virtuos went above and beyond to bring our
Ouais, d'ailleurs,
vision
Virtuos, j'ai vu, hein,
care and love
c'est les mêmes
poured into
personnes
Oblivion Remastered
qui ont
in
fait le remaster
absolutely
de
right
Dark
way.
Souls 1. Donc voilà, si ça peut en rassurer certains, c'est des gens de confiance, hein, vraiment, des gens de confiance.
We've worked with Bethesda Game Studios on other projects in the past, so we know what makes that team and their games special.
Moi, ce que je me demande aussi, c'est est-ce que la troisième personne va être beaucoup plus jouable qu'avant, quoi. Dans Skyrim, la troisième personne, elle était très bien. Dans Oblivion, je me rappelle que la plupart du temps, je jouais à la première personne.
About time someone got here.
Chad, j'en reviens pas de ce que je vois.
Those familiar with only some Elder Scrolls lore will now be able to experience the events that set the stage for Skyrim. You embark on an epic journey to stop the Mythic Dawn cult.
The time of cleansing draws nigh.
From unleashing the Daedric Prince of Destruction.
What was the Oblivion Crisis?
T'as toujours préféré la première personne? Ah ouais, non, je peux pas. Hein. Tu rates tellement de choses en étant la troisième personne. Enfin, première.
In addition to the core game, the remaster contains all add-ons, including story expansions Shivering Isles and Knights of the Nine.
Shivering Isles et Night of the Nine. Ça, c'est parfait, chat. Il y a des gens qui étaient inquiets de ça. Shivering Isles et même Night of the Nine, c'est, je pense, 2 des meilleurs DLC jamais faits. Franchement, je mets Shivering Isles au même niveau que Blood and Wine.
I'm a fan. I have been always a fan.
Well, I played Oblivion for perhaps 10,000 hours.
Oblivion was my first Elder Scrolls game and it was one of the
Surtout
games
au
that
niveau
made
de
me
l'histoire.
want to be a game developer.
Ce qui se passe dans Shivering Isles, c'est incroyable. Au niveau de l'histoire. Ça, c'est quoi? Ça, c'est la tour? Ouais, ça, c'est la tour, ça, je crois. Ah, par contre, c'est tellement beau. Hein. Franchement, c'est vraiment beau. Hein. Ce que je me demande encore, c'est est-ce que ça va être compatible avec des mods? Parce que leur projet de... Seulement graphiquement sur Unreal Engine et compatible avec les mods, ça a l'air pas très stable pour moi. Ça donne envie d'y jouer. Mais là, complètement. Mais j'espère que ça donne à tout le monde envie d'y jouer. Ça, c'est l'entrée du DLC Shivering Isles. Ah, ok, il est en train d'en parler.
And the body brings to life the experience that players have loved for almost 20 years.
But it's not just about pure fidelity. We knew we had to preserve the distinct style, making it as uniquely Oblivion as possible.
Oh, c'est magnifique. C'est vraiment magnifique. Oh, le monde peint, j'avais oublié cette quête.
Good for a visit. Or eternity.
Sheogorath, il est magnifique.
Every major feature from the latest version of Unreal 5.
Our goal was to push the visuals to the next level using the latest technologies. We created brand new, highly detailed character models
Damn.
and stunning landscapes that use millions of polygons in
Ah, les
each asset,
cagites sont magnifiques aussi.
allowing us a truly impressive level of detail in the world. Every single asset in this game was completely redesigned and handcrafted from scratch.
Chad, je vais tellement parler, hein. Je connais tellement cette région en plus.
That accurately simulates
Cyrodiil.
how light interacts with the environment. This results in more realistic lighting and atmospheric effects. While the original game had limited dynamic shadows, now the entire world reacts naturally to light.
Waouh! Mais je me demande si est-ce que mon
We used
PC
an
pourra le faire
incredible
tourner
new
ça?
lip-sync technology that really enhanced performance in our characters.
Je m'inquiète, hein. J'ai une 3070.
Unreal tools helped us create the base mesh of our characters. From there, our artists sculpt each race individually to adapt it to the mesh, allowing us to share the model, rig, and textures. As a
Sérieux?
result, all races,
J'espère,
including
hein.
Argonians, Orcs, and Khajiits, are built on the same base mesh, making the lip sync system more effective even when the characters have very different facial features.
Welcome to the guild.
We have access to so many modern rendering features. You'll see them in something as simple as running through a forest. Insects flying around, fish swimming in the water, light filtering through the leaves. Thanks to these technological advances, you feel
Je m'inquiète
even more
aussi au niveau
immersed
du
in this
gameplay.
living, breathing world.
J'espère qu'il est
You'll really
vraiment
believe
plus
you're in
modernisé.
Cyrodiil.
Par contre, la distance d'affichage, hein, elle est folle. Hein. Le FOV.
I would like you to retrieve a carved panel from
Ah,
the
le FOV?
central chamber
Je
of
sais
the
plus.
High Thane.
Ouais, je me demande si... Est-ce qu'ils ont gardé l'aspect, quand tu parles au personnage, est-ce que t'as le zoom sur la tête? J'espère que dans ce trailer, là, ils vont nous
It's
mettre
not
des
just
mime aussi.
visuals that
Des
we've
mèmes.
modernized in the remaster. It's gameplay. It's UI and UX. It's
Ah, ok. Ok, sympa, lui. Sympa. Modernisé, mais ils ont un peu gardé le même aspect.
systems across the board.
We've changed the approach to leveling, which I think will make a lot of people happy. It's inspired by the leveling systems of both Oblivion and Skyrim, so it's the best of both worlds.
Ok, ils ont fait un entre-deux sur le système de leveling. Chat, pour ceux qui savent pas,
We were able to fully recreate the character models,
le
creating a physicality
système de leveling dans Oblivion, pour level up et utiliser tes points, il fallait aller dormir.
There's a lot more separation between the upper and lower body, and all the animations have more flourish.
Ok.
Combat in the original Oblivion didn't have sound effects, visual effects, or hit reactions. Now you have blood splatters,
L'animation.
sparks, and controller feedback. You know, it's a little thing, but little things add up to make the combat more modern and
Ah, c'était quoi ça?
There's a proper third-person perspective now.
Ok.
The original had
C'est moi où il y a eu un pari.
but there was no crosshair and we felt
Ouais.
the experience could be modernized. One of
Attends, j'ai pas envie de
was
parler
from
trop
a
vite.
third-person view that compared to Starfield in terms of playability. Now the third-person perspective has all the same control you get from the first-person view.
Ok. Après, personnellement, ça m'intéresse pas ça, moi, la première personne. Je compte jouer à la troisième personne. moi.
Meant we couldn't have unique voiceovers for all the races. So we've gone back and recorded new lines.
Dis-moi qu'on entend la voix de Wes Johnson.
Each race represented in the game now sounds unique.
Can't stand the sight of those creatures.
We also made sure to keep in all of the quirkier dialogue.
I really like the way they say
Yes,
hello. Sometimes it's
yes.
so random.
Garder un peu cette patte un peu
But it's like so nice and creepy
qui
at
fait
the same
l'identité
time.
d'Oblivion.
You violated the law. Stop! You violated the law. Stop!
Ah, c'est magnifique ça.
Stop right there, criminal scum.
Wes Johnson, merci pour les travaux.
Keys for everyone.
Non, c'est magnifique.
We are going to steal one of the Elder Scrolls from the Imperial Palace. You need to find the reading room. The blind priests will deliver a scroll to you there. Do not speak to the priests. They're blindfolded.
Les prêtres de la Phalène, ça.
Chosen you because you are the best. Good luck.
C'est quoi cette dague? C'est pas la dague de Mérune, ça?
Stop. You violated the law. Your stolen goods
Ah
are now
non,
forfeit.
ça c'est interdit,
Pay
ça.
with your blood.
Ils auraient dû... Ok, ça, c'est pas la voix de Wes Johnson. Moi, je pense qu'ils auraient dû, pour l'aspect comique, garder
As games
la
have
même
developed
voix
over
pour
the
tous les
past
NPC de
20
garde.
years, players have come to expect a certain suite of tools and controls.
Like sprinting. Sprinting is an interesting one because there was such a big debate internally among our teams. Some of us were absolute purists, but ultimately, we decided it's 2025 and people are going to want to sprint.
Il y aura des modes
In
pour ça.
fact,
J'espère,
all of the
hein.
character
Ça
locomotion
va
has
installer
been
direct.
completely redone from scratch. And that has a huge impact from the very beginning of the game.
Every single updated or new feature was
Niveau
implemented
gameplay.
with the player in mind. It all comes down to what makes Oblivion, Oblivion. What are those features that just immediately come to mind for players when they think of the game?
Pour l'instant, niveau gameplay, visuellement, je suis pas
Those are so iconic to
très
Oblivion.
convaincu. Enfin, dans tous les cas, je vais y jouer. Hein. Je vais y jouer,
Like
c'est pas ça qui
lockpicking.
me...
You can put a fresh coat of paint on it, but you can't change it too much because it's part of the core experience.
Whether you're returning to Cyrodiil or you're a newcomer,
I'm going to follow you and watch
Adoring
you
fan.
worship the ground you walk on.
Chat, premier PNJ qu'on tue, il faut que ce soit lui.
it just feels better.
Ouais, ça s'entend que c'est
We've
un français.
modernized a lot, but it's still the same incredible adventure and the same carefully
Non, pas
handcrafted
lui.
world.
Well, it's about time. Do you know how long we've been waiting?
Non, par contre, c'est vraiment super beau.
Oblivion is a core part of the story of Bethesda Game Studios. None of what we're surrounded by right now would be here if we hadn't made that game.
Ça a tellement rien à voir. Moi, je suis vraiment content de ce que je vois en tout cas pour l'instant.
Put into it, the sort of the love that went into it, I think that comes across on the screen.
Toi, comparé à Starfield, ça donnait pas vraiment envie de jouer, je vais pas te mentir. Mais là, ça donne vraiment envie de jouer. Bon, il y a quand même.
It's a privilege.
C'est quand même parce que c'est Oblivion aussi, mais.
To help introduce this game to a new generation of players, I feel so lucky.
I really think that people, when they jump back into the remaster,
C'est moi, il y a vraiment beaucoup de Français dans les développeurs. C'est pas une nouvelle chose, hein, loin de là, au contraire.
Oblivion Gates look absolutely incredible.
Et ça s'entend beaucoup dans leur accent.
Even if it's just the music, for example, just walking around for half an hour in the world, you feel something. And that's precious.
Il y a un Skyrim VR, il y a peut-être moyen que ce jeu le devienne aussi. Après, je te mens pas, moi, les VR, c'est pas trop mon truc. Vraiment, Shivering Isle, ça c'est vraiment l'un des meilleurs DLC auxquels j'ai joué.
From all of us at Bethesda Game Studios
and Virtuous,
we want to thank you for joining us today.
Ah ok, c'est chez Virtuous que c'est français.
And being able to work on this remaster and bring it to a new generation of players has been an incredible experience. We were too excited to get it in your hands and didn't want to just show it off to you and then make you have to wait. The best part of my job is that I get to be the one to announce that the Oblivion remaster will be available.
Oh? Quand?
Today.
Yes, ok. Chat, c'est maintenant. Est-ce que je peux le DL là?
I was born 87 years ago.
Oh, je peux le DL. Chat. Je peux le DL. Ok. Faut que j'achète ça. Ok, je DL ça maintenant, chat. Acheter.
The year of Akatosh 433. These are the closing days of the third era.
54 balles, c'est pas grave.
And the final hours.
Merde. Oh merde, ma carte.
Of my life.
Merde. Attendez, faut pas que je jette ma carte.
Beyond which no waking eye may see. This is only the beginning. Worse is yet to come.
Damn, chat.
Looks clear.
La mise en scène. Ok, attendez, il faut que j'achète là.
The time of cleansing draws nigh. Who now will save us from the coming darkness?
Oh! La musique est modernisée. Ok. Oh, ça fait plaisir, chat. Ça, c'est des nouvelles musiques dans ma playlist.
Find him and close shut the jaws of oblivion.
Tu l'achètes aussi?